Yes, baby, I met me. I go. Inti me pekwa go bio.
Yeah, Juma no. Radio get results. In radio shit.
87.9 Kumasi.
A quick shit.
Yeah, that's a part.
Ayana me free. Me two coin na me baby ana. Me tie 87.9.
Yeah.
From Accra Atlantis.
Okay.
Inti that's my favorite radio in Accra. Inti me tie sa inti ultra this barrier, I think that is so.
Okay.
Before, even after that, so crying, you still get Akoma.
Yes. Now I enjoy Akoma.
Until now, the Akoma na the baby room.
I see.
Until if you didn't do it, into what kind of if you are free now, we're enough. Hey, Mrs. I say, fine,
Mafawa, copy, Subriso.
Okay, Subriso, yeah,
I copy Subriso. Fante.
Yeah.
Makoha, indeed. Number 7 who baby
or Shani.
That should be true, ha. Miss Mafa, Akotia, Enu.
Hana Enu Free.
It's
good. Namisha for a Juma Mombo. Na, Binim ya Oma, I openi a hitiano pays, I just say. Main coffee.
Send you almost say Abronye children.
Na, me woman say, Yanum Progressive People's Party. Yeah, it's BBC now. And yes, because 87.9 Kumasi Macau there. Ayananka. Metu ni Macau there. Ayananka enye. So on say.
Any archives there.
And you may be a whole
no push amount.
And you may be a whole be ebeye na fe akoye kasechichi. Ne mumuno. Sa ye nuanom mpanyimfo yi. Meka se ye nuanom mpanyimfo a sabi in politics. MPP ni NDC no omodi eni mu kan ti Progressive People's Party yentimi fa ho nto omo say ye ni omo egro etipre
na some mo formation kra no utie mu a efiri ba bi ne ba
obi efiri ba bi ne ba anantisa nti ede ya ebe efiri ba bi ne ya ba na mum ne me pese ye kan say omo su ni omo ban nti ana ama ba bi a ye so ya beduru ya so ye wo because niema keka ne nsem bi wo no mo a enchai sisi ya onse na niabre a wo chechire mu ya okonyina wo ma warning no and a very strong warning na nya ono nkwanso na ma warning sa warning wo mama mi de bia amuda mu ntwen ye ba mo de mu ntwen ye ba to what extent
say
omoni be bre because omu nuanom na say ni omu imenka na sa omu nuanom na afidia so omu nan ana ya twini nuade ne ko nya wonti ya na munti ana refi munti eye munti ize eye munti ne da ho gina court if I just say by start here no hwe the narrative the way si koye na ai rumble style of arrest and hun bibiri but sani ma we say ni nyina no e ka kokosi say amamu oni buo the bribes issues the corruption issues the scandals in government and this idea we here dey eba wie so na say yes ye hwehwem na ye hwehwem na ye de obi kogina court ye de ye kochi obi a na obi so sore gina say hey onti ase ekwan fa so a che no ekwan fa so a ye ni say ompe na how do you want those things to go she Abronye asemi ya mo kenya me na sometimes in some be one I just don't want to talk about it because say a civilized state na ye pese bu man me nyina ni gia and some be wo hono ne a akeka bi wo a it shouldn't be and we must call a spade ekwan fa so bi a ya che no ene niema like process ne ade na ekọ no enye but niema na nipa no ebeye no a ede be call that extent no and also must be condemned and dem hwe hu nkan hu now you call it former president now those days he been you send video ama oni a wo hwe yi unanimous FC one and during that time it was omo opposition and then my question uko kan we as a politics yes ani ye no I didn't know what you say politics is about insult politics is about what they call it trying to say obey suppressing unia in order that you gain power in order that you be popular for so ben and also I say kum no ana o de bia make kasa asem we so nsa na wo di paint obi black no e ma wo de na nya white o won nsa na wo di paint obi black no e ma wo de enya white So you better do the clean job. Now you see, Anna, if you go and call somebody or a political judge, do you think say Nipa be happy about it? The judiciary is supposed to be independent. How does what does the constitution say? It is the president they appoint the what they call it, the chief justice. In the end, there will be political interference in there. Oh, and 70 be one man. Yen shani into us you, ni empe once among can. Na this year working. Also, on your reset agenda. Yes, Anna, JDM by worker.
Yeah.
Into resetting, no. It is almost reset. Yeah, on Bejawako. And Mrewi, you name say in Dinkaso. 2028, you better back. There will be change of government, or they can continue. Whichever way it goes, when they get the opportunity, as some of them can do, they will come back to it. Na mine na yebu say. Enti se obi a political party be more. Just freedom to do whatever he wants, to get corrupted and then to perhaps in one way or the other steal the nation's money. No, I enjoy no oba. Ubenya nipa mana protect no because ye bas ye chinisi ya pe Jibenya political people in government or even in their party to defend that person.
Akoma FM 87.
Munti yes nipa asore de echi to defend the person. Adeya or MPP ni, adeya or NDC ni, adeya or CPP ni. Nti once or nua de odon sakana odon sakan obi ko kape yesi wo ye ni sei nti oman ni mu no you be corrupted and a case be against somebody yet to be prosecuted and
me prosecuting
no so what is it and I said me de bia na me can say san niema e koso nyina e ko nyina no ya bo bi tu akunu ha say yo ye mo obi atu obi atim paye moja bi anfiri obi awini mu mai law na the law is the law no am kan say law na adwuma ko no enti what is it
do you need problem bia
but the problem na dey problem na dey
o da bi mi busa o say more for kwesi
no my issue is what is the problem inipa no ya bo bi tu ya chire obi nsa gu na chi enye court dem no mu gina Sir John hwe mesere say yes ejim ready na e mamra ya adwuma ya mamra na nya adwuma there are lawyers at the court
Akoma FM
defendants
87.9
and what do you call it friends say those who are defending the case so what I say and what complaint now enti say nipa no eba no the lawyers abani edi asem na kwa let it be if you think say asem na nkose de opa go to appeal continue with it but court dan wa bobo na ye pre na we na be ye sad kasa bebrebe no me say MPP ba ye omo na appointees no omo nyina na achoma ko gira court
there be of akwasi chain na nam ha
offer no odin pa
no tini baby
so offer say we di si na wan fa asema making medical ebi mu wan so ye notes anko ye amana na on ti asra obetre na adwen
achira fine
so unim say that something obetre na adwen it doesn't call for say asem no kan no one can hear another is a problem no watch na adwen miss match na adwen then we move on
okay
but it is hard to say obo for say be offer a deal obi atem but what the mention na say and now offer a case bi a we na catch us archives no yi evidence right there that's it then we follow the issues
send ya
offer gina what is say after offer court
me ti bi that there
offer mpacho e do akugina court da
What's it say? What's your mind? Oh, that is
the me say see out here. Ya friend da.
What's that?
Ya friend.
That won't mean friend.
And you say won't be because you haven't done idea e be friend.
I know see ya friend on be friend.
O so class o be friend.
Na me just say of anya idea ye dey ye be friend no. One can dey be friend no. And that's how we must work with it. And here na sa kan na wo ma anya de na we win. Is that the law?
Okay, if the law is the law, then
let it
the
work.
Law is the law. Okay.
Let it work.
But that's it. Now, my main fa we ntwam say reporter enya from Oshima say